What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning in. The Corvette here, and we are at a night show, guys. Canes and cars, and there's a ton of cars here, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the rounds. Hopefully it's a good video because there's a lot of cars here, and they're gonna be coming in. It's from 8 to 12, so I mean a lot of coming and going. But let's go and check it out, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all. All right, guys, you can see mine right there, sprouting the GoPro just because I wanted to get some cool footage. And we got the other vet right over here. Love them. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, hold on. I'll get the vets back in a second, but look at that. Z01. Look at that, man. It sounds nice. Hold on. Look at that. So back to the vets. Rapid Who and his C8. Look at him. Man. Look at that, boys. Rapid Blue. And then of course I love the wrap on this one too. This is one of my other buddies, Z51 over here, and next to mine. Gosh, they're so nice. Man, look at that. Cat's 5.0 and her wrap neon Mustang. Looks nice. You got a little 370 with some gold wheels. I like that. And you got a couple Camaros over here, SS's, black on black. A couple different gens. Check it out, guys. And then another little 5.0 here. Looks nice. You got a couple Skylines coming in. Look at that. The white one over there. Is that a... what is that? Oh, Talon. Interesting. Check out the lights on the truck, guys. Engine bay. That's pretty interesting. Wish I could do something like that for mine. And then you got a nice little white Supra over here. And another Skyline right there. There goes the Talon. There's those two GTRs right there, Skylines. And a little 5.0 coming in. Sounds good. Oh no, it's the fuzz. It's the fuzz, guys. Oh no, nobody do anything dumb. Man. Oh guys, he's about to pop the hood up. Let's check under the hood. Let's check the goods. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, look at this, guys. Super rare. Forgotten Star. Look at that. Man. And then right next to it, I was trying to get this Stitch SRT Challenger right here. And then cool colored Charger Hellcat with the lights. You got a couple Chrysler 300s. Here's that Skyline again there. And then Forgotten Star. Man. Oh my God, it smells good, guys. Sounds good too. Got a nice little Evo. Gold wheels. He's sprouting the whole family. That's awesome. my buddy right there in his Grand Sport. Right there. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, that's my buddy right there. Yeah, I think. Oh, guys, look, another little Evo 10 blue. Pretty nice. All right, here's a line of Mustangs, guys, and Camaros and other random car right here. But look, here's some more 5.0. Just making it down the line. There's a nice GT350 right there.
No, it's still in the shop. He has a Pro Charge Corvette.
Little Camaro SS. There's a little bagged Charger. This is the poster of the meets right here. I got a little pug. Look at a little pug right there. He chilling. Subaru gang's here, guys. Check it out. STIs for days. And they're all blue. That's cool. Little yellow one right there. You got a little 3000 Mitsubishi GT. Let's see. A little bit of everything, guys. Tuners, muscle, import, wide body. I'm assuming turboed, if not supercharged. Dropped, bagged. That's interesting. Take a look at the side. Oh no, guys, the Popo, rim security. What's going on? Hopefully they didn't tell us we have to go. Hopefully we don't have to go. We still got cars, guys. We still got cars. Got a couple Mercedes guys over here. Another little Vette. Got another little orange Vette. That thing is so cool. That thing is so cool.
Where you at?
It's so compact. I know it's hard to see, guys, but look at this. This thing is so cool. Oh boys, look at that. I like the color scheme.
Waiting to sell mine and saving up for that.
Man, cars, guys, cars for day. Oh, there's Blue DeVille. He was at this morning show. Listen to that. Check it out, guys. Another dropped, wide-bodied FRS or BRZ, whichever one. I always get confused with these things, but it's got a big wing on the back, anime style architecture. Oh boys, the GTR is pulling in. The GTR is pulling in. Look at that. Look at it. Guys, another GTR, Blue Zilla. Look at that. Look at that. It's got a parachute on the back. Oh, another one. These were at these one meets before. I've seen these before. Wrapped. Two Godzillas. Look at that. It's hard to see at some points, but just trying to get some cars for you guys. I know the lighting's dark because it's nighttime. Oh boys, we got a little orange. Yeah. And I see a bunch of firefighters. They were eating at Cane's, I think, and they wanted to come see the car show. Man, another blue Camaro SS. That sounds really nice. Oh, we got a little red Alfa Romeo. Got a little 392 coming in. A little Camaro over there. Man, he's chopping. That sounds good. Look at the pipes on that. Watch out, he's going back in. Another Camaro, guys, rolling out that way. A little Charger. Oh, guys, another Evo 10. Headed that way.
Somebody.
Oh, the little pug. Another Skyline, guys. Look at that. It's like 4 or 5 I've seen already. Skylines. Another Camaro. Another little Mustang. And another one right behind it. Here comes some more with a little Challenger. Scat Pack. A little Charger behind it. Little 5.0. Little Chrysler 300 with some crazy headlights on it. But he's got some tires on the back though. He's got the welds. Twin turbo Camaro, guys, right there. I know the guy. 800 horsepower. Guys, check out that little Honda hatch. Look at that. You don't see those too often. Check it out, guys. You got a little Challenger there. It's got some underglow aftermarket headlights. Makes it kind of pop out.
Like, people are here to see our car.
I like that green. I like that green. That's like Hulk green right there. And you got another Camaro right there. It's kind of chopping 370 behind it. Guys, check out this GTR. It's missing the front bumper, so I don't know what's going on, but guys, look at that. We got a freaking 0304 Terminator Cobra convertible. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, check out this GT500 cowl hood. He's got the racing tires on the back. BMWs. Another 5.0. Check it out, guys. Nice little Datsun. I've seen this one before in a couple other videos. Ooh, we got a nice little 05 to 09 Mustang GT. Guys, check out that RX-7. Look at that. You don't see too many of those. Wow, look at that. Look at it. I'm coming for you. Man, guys, we got cars. Check it out, guys. Guys, look at this Scarface Charger. That looks freaking cool. Guys, check it out. That is straight thuggin' right there. Look at that. Wow. You see that? I like the color on this scheme, guys. It's half black, half highlighter green or yellow. That looks nice. Cowl hood, drag wheels. That just looks nice.